I love using these Blum Undermount drawer slides because they're soft close, they're easily adjustable, and most importantly, they're completely hidden underneath the drawer. But the downside of that is there's a very specific way to build the drawers to get these installed. But luckily, Rockler has removed some of that guesswork with their drilling guide and jig. So today I'm going to show you how to use these to install the slides for the cabinet I'm working on. So once we have our drawer boxes made, the first thing we need to do is cut a couple notches in the back for these slides to sit underneath the drawer box like this. And I usually do this over at the table saw, either with a regular blade or with a dado set. And it's really quick to do, and even though these notches don't have to be perfect, it's going to give you a really clean result. So once these notches are cut, there's still a couple more things we need to do to mount the slide to the box. The first is to drill 2 holes in the back for these locator pins to sit into. And the second is to attach these locking mechanisms to the front corners of the box. And this jig and Undermount drilling guide makes it really quick to do both. So this guide comes with a 6mm and a 2.5mm drill bit, as well as stop collars to make sure that we drill to the right depth. And let's start with the holes on the back of the box. So take this 6mm drill bit and use this molded in depth gauge on the jig to set our stop collar like this. Then just set the jig into the notch, press it against the side of the box, and then drill through using this outermost bushing. And then just repeat the same process on the opposite corner. Okay, so once these holes are drilled, we're going to swap over to the 2.5mm drill bit to pre-drill the holes for these locking mechanisms. And once again, we're going to use the molded in depth gauge to set our stop collar, and then position the jig on the front corner of the drawer box. Make sure the arrow is pointing toward the corner and drill the holes. So as you can see, the holes are drilled at the precise angle that's needed for the locking mechanisms. And then just repeat for the opposite corner and secure these clips in with the included screws. And that's it with the boxes. So now we're going to use this Rockler Undermount drawer slide jig to install the slides into our case. And to do that, we're going to set the slide on the appropriate side of the jig, press it till the end, and let the magnet hold the slide in place. And then we're going to take this whole thing and set it into our case, press the jig against the cabinet face, clamp it down, and attach everything with screws. The bottom slides are pretty simple to position since it just rests on the bottom panel, but we're going to use spacers to help position the other slides. And there we go. So if you guys want to use these Blum Undermount drawer slides for your next build, be sure to pick up this drill guide and jig. This is Alex from Bevelish Creations. Hope you guys stay safe in the shop.